In this video, we will perform a motor replacement on a Lippert in-wall slide-out. The tools needed for this procedure are an electric drill, appropriate bit, and a flathead screwdriver. Outside the coach, locate and remove the motor retention screw located near the top of the column. It can be found under the bulb seal if equipped. Moving inside the coach, pull back the wiper seal at the top of the column. Now pull the motor up until disengaged. A flathead screwdriver can help with prying the motor up. Next, disconnect the motor harness from the motor. Pull the motor out of the notch in the column. Now you can install the new motor into the column. Next, reconnect the motor harness to the new motor. And then move back outside the unit and install the motor retention screw. Run the room in until it stops, then back it off. Repeat this process until it is fully retracted. This can take several cycles if it is off enough from side to side. Once the room is fully retracted, extend it out 1 to 2 inches. Then fully retract for 3 seconds after it stops moving. Repeat this until the motors are stopping at the same time. This completes the procedure for motor replacement on a Lippert in-wall slide-out.